Hi guys, it's Jack here, and today I'm here to discuss with you 5 mistakes that I've seen small businesses making. So if you are into business or considering to enter into the business world, please consider subscribing to this channel because I know that you're going to benefit a lot from this channel. It's going to be a win-win for both of us. So I need that subscription. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So the first mistake that these people are making is not understanding the importance of rapport. So guys, hear me out. Building rapport is an important factor in any business. What do I mean by building rapport? So think of rapport more like building connection. So here is how I build rapport with the people that I meet for the first time. What I do is when the customer comes to my store, the first thing I will do is greet them. I will say like, "Hi, how are you doing?" And then they'll be like, "I'm good, thank you, and how are you?" And I'll be like, "I'm great, thanks." You see this statement? You greet them, and then when they greet you back, what you need to say next is, "How may I address you?" How may I address you? Or like, "How can I call you?" So a lot of people love introducing themselves. If you don't know, especially customers, they really love introducing themselves to businesses. I don't know why it is like that, but there's this mindset whereby you think like, if you know someone who owns a shop or a business, then that's connection. So once you ask them how you should address them, they'll gladly tell you if they are called Mr. Pili, if it's Miriam Banda, whatever the name. Once they do that, what you need to do is start calling them by their name in almost every sentence. So what I do after figuring out what they are called is I'll follow up and I'll say something like, Mr. Banda, thank you for reaching out. Thank you for visiting our store. How may I assist you today? You see, Mr. Banda. So the person that I'm saving will feel happy. Who doesn't feel happy like being called by their name? Who doesn't? Who feel happy? As a result, that person will start on building that connection with you. People, please do understand that nobody is going to do business with you if they don't know you, if they don't like you, and if they don't trust you. Build rapport first. Get to know the customer first before you decide on taking their money. This is important. Don't take it like a joke. It's very important. Building rapport is very important for any business. So the second mistake that I've seen people, small businesses making, is thinking that people care about their business. I hate to tell you this, but nobody cares about you or your business. Nobody. Even me, I don't care about you and your business. Nobody cares about you and your damn business. What people cares about is themselves. It's only about themselves. It doesn't matter who you are, where you are from, what business you are into. People don't give a damn. It's all about them. It's all about me. What's in it for me? So when someone comes to your store or your shop, it doesn't mean that they like you or something like, or they like your business. No, it's just that they really want something from your shop. It's up to you either to give that something to them or not giving it to them. You see, when you are communicating with the customer, what you need to do is to be the driver of the conversation. What do I mean by this? You need to be in the lead the conversation. You get it, right? Lead the conversation. Don't let the customer lead you. No, that is your damn business. People don't care about your business. Be in the lead. Once you know that, serving people will be very, very easy for you. So the third mistake that I've seen these small businesses making, it's crazy and it's funny though, is they don't understand that selling in general is an experience that has to be beneficial for both sides. Nobody wants to part with their money. Even me, I love keeping my money. Even you love keeping your money. You don't want to part with your money. That's your money. You know? So understanding that a customer has to benefit from your business is very important, because if you understand that, then you are definitely going to serve that customer to the fullest. And believe me, once a customer is satisfied with your service, that customer is definitely going to come back again to you. And if things are really good, they're going to bring their friends and their families to you and more business for you. So start serving the customers to the fullest. Serve them. Make every transaction a win-win situation. Don't just think about taking other people's money, because nobody wants to give you their money. Believe this, nobody. You know. So the last mistake, the number 5th mistake that I've seen small businesses making, in that, guys, if you haven't yet liked this video or subscribed to this channel, you don't know what you're missing. You've watched this so far and you haven't subscribed to this channel. Just help your boy grow. I'm just starting out. I've created this channel for about 3 years or 4 years, but I've never been that consistent. So now I want to be serious with helping people with the experience that I have. And for those who don't know me, I'm Jack, the CEO of Step Up Wear and Clothes Enterprise. I'm into clothes and shoes. I order and I resell. That's my business. So when I say something like this, believe me, I'm talking through experience that I have. So the 5th mistake that I've noticed is telling customers what to do, telling people what to do. Nobody wants to be told what to do, bro. Believe this. Nobody wants to be told what they should do, especially with their money. Nobody. I've seen people like telling other people, no, since you are the customer, so instead of doing this, why don't you do that? Nobody wants to be told what to do. The best you can do is suggest some stuffs that align with the product that they want. That's the best you can do. Don't tell them what to do. That is the mistake that you're going to make, and you're going to lose a customer for that. I'm telling you. So be sharp and follow these 5 mistakes. Avoid them at all cost, and you're going to make it. And believe that business is not an overnight success. It's not a normal. It takes time, like for a business to grow. It really takes time for business to grow. So don't give up. No matter what happens, just stay put. Continue hustling and everything. So subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow on the next video. Peace.